Hello, in this lesson I will show you how to display and change information record using transaction ME1L. As I mentioned earlier in the previous lesson, the purchasing information record is the data that the vendor and the customer have agreed on either in writing or verbally. And basically this information such as price, delivery time, quantity, etc. can also be entered into a purchasing information record. So let's begin by using the navigation SAP menu. So first let's go to logistics, then go to materials management, click on purchasing, click on master data, go to info record and select list displays. Click on list display. For this lesson I will use transaction ME1L to show the info record by vendor. So go ahead and double click on transaction ME1L by vendor. The info record per vendor screen is displayed. The generated report will show only the info record that matches the selected criteria. Let's click in the purchasing organization field and type in 3000 and let's enter the plant field 3100. Let's look at the price calculations. These are optional to include. Price calculations or conditions allow the purchasing user to enter the details of the price agreement that has been agreed with the vendor. Include discounts. If this indicator is set, the quotation comparison or the bid tabulation, when you receive your quotations you do a bid tabulation or a quotation comparison, will include any price discount that the vendor has applied. So if this indicator is not set, that means the discount will not be used. Include delivery cost. If this indicator is set, then the delivery cost will be included in the price, and that means it will be included in the quotation comparison. The delivery cost, for example, such as freight costs or other procurement costs such as insurance, packing and handling, etc. Determine effective price. If this box is set, then the cash discounts and delivery costs are included or are going to be used in the price comparison. Restrictions. Only those that are relevant. It will not allow the plant level show the old prices. That's what it means if that indicator is set. If you have an indicator set for only plant specific, that means it will allow those info records that were specified at the plant level. Only those flagged for deletion. That means setting this indicator will allow to use or to show those info records that flagged for deletion. Only with purchasing organization data. That means it will display those info records for which data has been created at the purchasing department. Now let's go ahead and click on execute. The purchasing info records for vendor list has been created. You could scroll down for a specific vendor, scroll up, or you could use the icons right here to go to the next page, go to the last page, first page, so on. So let's scroll to this page and select vendor 954. Select the vendor and let's go ahead and click on the display info record. If you notice, the info record is displayed in the display mode only. You can modify the record here. Let's go and click on the back icon. Select the vendor again and click on the change info record, F7. The purchasing info record is displayed in modify or change mode, where you can do some changes to the info record. Notice the net price and the effective price are the same. There is no change, so that means no price calculation were applied. Only the net price is shown. There is no freight cost being added. There is no discount, no scales. Let's go ahead and click on the back icon and select vendor again 954 and click on price simulation. The dialog box for price simulation is open for material MG006. There are three options to calculate the price in the info record. We have include cash discount, include delivery discount, and the effective price, which will include the delivery cost and the discount together. So let's simulate by changing the simulation quantity to 4 and press the tab key. Then select the delivery cost and confirm, selecting the icon. The price simulation has now been generated for the info record. Also see that the delivery cost is now shown. Let's go back again and select the same material number for the same vendor. Click on price simulation. Still delivery cost is being selected. Let's check the effective price and keep the quantity the same and click to confirm. Notice the error that effective price is inclusive discount and delivery cost. As I said, the effective price will include the delivery cost and discount both together. So go back again, price simulation, click effective price by itself only, not one of those. So if you select this, you don't have to select the first two or either one of the first two. So let's just go back and say effective price and confirm. We have just concluded this lesson. So let's click on the exit icon. You have just learned how to display and change an info record by vendor. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz question to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, please go back and review the material one more time.